Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood. Pull the latch to the left, raise it up. Let me turn off the car for a second. Okay, so if we have to replace bulbs, all bulbs we have here, very handy. Okay, as you can see we have high beam here. So how do we change it? We just get it out, spin it, pull it out. To remove it, you can do this. Just put you guys here, press here. No, actually you pull here and pull the bulb off. Okay, same thing, you just replace it, put it back in, wiggle in, spin it, and you're all set. And low beam right here. So how do we do this? Same way, you take it, spin it, carefully pull it out. Okay, again, remove the connector, pull the bulb off, and go to the parts store, get replacement ones. For the low beam, this is H11 light. Okay, and the same exact way, it's just connect it with the connector. It is connected. Oops, like this. And get it in. Find the correct position. And click it in. That's it. As you can see, it's very simple. So this is the whole procedure. Hope guys this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.